Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to borrow money from Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Cash App application and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and then search for Borrow inside it. You can see that the Borrow feature pops up at the top. Simply access it, and you can see that it is currently not available in my region. Now, keep in mind that the Borrow feature isn't yet accessible to all US residents. Access to the Borrow feature may require approval from a sponsor, and it's worth noting that sponsor accounts for users under 18 won't have access to certain features. Also, the eligibility is influenced by various factors, including your state of residence, as not all states currently support the feature. Additionally, having an active Cash App card is crucial. This card is free to obtain and offers benefits like discounts when activated. And finally, frequent use of Cash App can also improve your chances, as the platform tends to prioritize active users for feature rollouts. Lastly, your credit history plays a role. Poor credit may reduce your likelihood of gaining access to this feature. If you believe you're eligible, but still can't access the Borrow feature, reach out to Cash App support using the chat function. So that's basically how you can borrow money from Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.